Nature is full of wonders and mysteries, with animals often displaying extraordinary behaviors and engaging in bizarre phenomena. Throughout history, our planet has witnessed some truly remarkable occurrences that have left scientists and observers bewildered. From strange migrations to perplexing reproductive rituals, these phenomena offer a fascinating glimpse into the diverse and extraordinary world of animals. Welcome to a captivating journey into the extraordinary world of animals. From mysterious migrations to peculiar reproductive rituals, our planet has witnessed some truly strange phenomena that leave us in awe. In this video, we will explore the enigmatic and perplexing animal behaviors that have occurred on Earth. Prepare to be amazed as we delve into the wonders of nature and uncover the secrets of these strange animal phenomena. Unveiling the Enigmatic, strange animal phenomena that occurred on Earth. Mass animal migrations. The phenomenon of mass animal migrations has captivated scientists and wildlife enthusiasts for centuries. Every year, countless species embark on incredible journeys across vast distances, defying the boundaries of land, sea, and sky. Whether it's the monarch butterflies traveling thousands of kilometers, or wildebeest herds navigating treacherous river crossings, these migrations showcase remarkable determination and navigational abilities. The exact mechanisms that guide these animals remain partially mysterious, making this phenomenon all the more awe-inspiring. Synchronized breeding events. In certain parts of the world, animals gather in large numbers to engage in synchronized breeding events, creating breathtaking spectacles. One such phenomenon occurs with fireflies, where thousands of these bioluminescent insects synchronize their flashes to create mesmerizing displays of light. Similarly, coral spawning events witness countless corals releasing their gametes into the water simultaneously, transforming the ocean into a realm of reproductive frenzy. The precise triggers for these synchronized events remain a subject of ongoing research. Animal eusociality. Eusociality, a social structure characterized by reproductive division of labor and cooperative care of offspring, is commonly observed in insect societies such as ants, bees, and termites. However, recent discoveries have unveiled eusocial behaviors in unexpected species. Naked mole rats, for instance, exhibit a complex social structure resembling that of ants, with a queen and specialized worker castes. The emergence of eusociality in these non-insect species challenges our understanding of social evolution and provides intriguing insights into the complexities of animal societies. Bioluminescence. Bioluminescence, the production and emission of light by living organisms, has evolved independently in various groups of animals. From fireflies to deep-sea creatures, the ability to generate light serves multiple purposes, including communication, mating, and predator avoidance. However, some species display bioluminescent phenomena that are truly astonishing. The glowing waves caused by blooming bioluminescent algae or the otherworldly light emitted by the anglerfish deep in the ocean's depths are just a couple of examples that continue to captivate scientists and spark our imagination. Strange reproductive strategies. Nature showcases an astonishing array of reproductive strategies, some of which defy conventional norms. Take the peculiar case of the male anglerfish, who fuses with the female, becoming a permanent parasite, and sacrificing his body to provide nutrients for the female's eggs. Another bizarre example is the traumatic insemination observed in bedbugs, where males pierce the female's abdomen with their reproductive organ. These peculiar reproductive strategies challenge our perception of what is considered normal, and shed light on the immense diversity of life on Earth. The animal kingdom never ceases to amaze us with its bewildering phenomena and behaviors. From epic migrations to synchronized breeding events, from peculiar social structures to astonishing reproductive strategies, the strange occurrences in the animal world remind us of the boundless wonders of nature. As scientists continue to explore and unravel these mysteries, we are left in awe of the extraordinary planet we call home, where creatures great and small perform astonishing feats that inspire us and expand our understanding of life on Earth. Our planet never fails to amaze us with its array of strange animal phenomena. Each captivating occurrence offers a glimpse into the diverse and awe-inspiring world of nature. Join us on this incredible journey, as we continue to uncover the mysteries of our natural world, reminding us of the boundless wonders that await our exploration. Thank you for watching, and remember to stay curious and embrace the extraordinary.